Yeah. Came in 17. Damn.
So guys, good morning again and welcome back to my channel. So, ito yung continuous ng ating vlog natin nung last upload. Ito, papakita ko na sa inyo guys. Okay. Meron tayo ngayon ditong para tong signboard. Yan, Halloween sign. Then, meron pa tayong, what is this? Halloween garland. Paper. So, para siyang papel na, ganito yung kanyang design. Okay, sinasabit. Tapos, balloon tails. Yan, balloon. Napkins. Halloween napkins. So, meron tayong decorative spider, guys. Yan. Ito naman ay cobweb. So, yun. Cobweb siya. Oh, may price na rin siya. Okay. There's a price inside. And cobweb. Cobweb din siya, guys. Yan. Ito rin, cobweb din. So 70 cm siya. Then creep streamer. Yeah. I don't know, bro. But I'm sure he will come like 10 o'clock. Maybe if he will come, maybe he will come 10 like that. So, creep streamer. Ito naman ay decorative spider. Yan, decorative. Halloween garland. So yun siya, ito siya guys. Yan, ito yung niya, actual niya. Yan. So meron siguro yung spider sa loob. Check natin. Ayun, may spider ba? Wala yata spider. Meron din guys, may spider yan. Foil balloon. Cauldrons. So, ganito siya. Yun guys. Ilang piraso mayroon yan? Siguro mga tatlong piraso, dalawa. Malit lang kasi ito. Parang tatlo siya guys. Then, decorative bats. Curtain. So, curtain. Halloween curtain. Ganda siya. Ito ay cobweb din siya with spiders. Yan. Cobweb with spiders. Garland. So, ito yun. Para siyang decoration din siya ng pumpkin. Pumpkin. Decorated pumpkin. Ayan. Iba naman ng kanyang design. Then napkins. Bite me. So, spider's web. And what is this? Decorative bats. Cobweb. Ganun din. Cobweb din siya. And then ito ay spiders. Spiders din siya. Then the last one is straw. So meron tayong straw. I think this is glass. Let me check. That is straw plastic, guys. Straw plastic. Yan. So, ito yung ating mga Halloween collections. Yan. Ito yung ating Halloween collection, guys. Yup. Number 3. Number 2 dito. Walang ulit number 2 dyan. Ano? So guys, in-update ko lang kayo sa aking vlog. And yung price niyan ay makikita nyo sa next videos ko. Mga next videos. O kaya tomorrow, upload ako ng mga pricing pag na-display na namin yung items. And thank you so much for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell button down below. And see you in my next vlog. Bye!